Okay. So let me open them. Okay. Okay. SPAN. Today we are going to learn the SPAN. So who all work on the uh, call support company like voice call support? Is there anyone?
No,
So what is happening? You are calling customer care, right? You are calling customer care and customer care person picking call from the computer. Okay, that one lady will be there or someone will be there here. Okay, like that some person will be there and you are calling, right? You are a caller, kinda. You called that guy. Okay. So sometime it's saying we are recording your call for different purpose, right? So what is happening actually? Once this customer support engineer or customer support technician will receive your call, so whatever is coming here, right? It will mirror a centralized server or tool, whatever they are using. So same we are going to do. So if any computer, just leave the user, I will say as a computer here, right? There is a two computer. Once they will talk, this is a switch. Now, once two computer will talk to each other, so what I will do? What is the source here? I will mirror all the traffic here. I will say I will see what you are doing. How we are using in troubleshooting? So sometime user saying I unable to access internet kind of, for example. So I wanted to see our switch is receiving the correct data from the computer or not. Is even is requesting for the google.com or not. So where is the failing? What is the TCP dump? So all the packet we will capture by connecting a tool we are calling as multiple tool we have. Uh, Famous is like Wireshark capture we are calling. So we will configure a port as a mirror port here, and all the data which is coming from one computer to other computer, one system to other system, then I will take all mirror traffic to here. So how it will help us as a network engineer, it will help us to analyze like what kind of traffic is coming, what are the information is capturing, is requesting the correct data or not, is not sending the jumbo packet or something. So we will analyze that packet and we will find like is we will analyze like it's network issue or system issue or something else. Okay, got a bit idea why we are using the span to mirror the
yes.
traffic from one interface to other interface, as simple as that. So everywhere, if call is recording, somewhere mirroring is happening, might be different tool, maybe different protocol, but case will be the same. I mean, until end of the day, we are mirroring the traffic. We are uh, capturing the traffic whom we are talking. For example, you are recording some, you know, your phone is coming and you wanted to record that. Okay, so we will record. So it will mirror that what we are talking to, what you are talking between. So it will mirror and save your phone book or somewhere, right? So it's kind of done
Okay,
the mirroring.
okay. Apart from Wireshark, what other tools do we use for this?
I'm not aware that tool, but we have multiple packet capturing tool. We will see like in internet. So we have wire capture and lot of monitoring tool, which inside using the wire shark, but it will show like something else. So we have a lot of tool actually, but I unable to recall the name as of now. But I will show you. Remind me in the end of the class.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Let's see. Let's do some discussion, condition, statics, and all those things. What is mean by span, types of span, and all those things. You got a little bit idea, right? Now we are going into deep dive. Okay, let's say span. What is span? Okay, we are also calling. We are
Irfan bhai,
also.
can you please increase the font size?
बोलो भाई बस.
Yes, yes, now it's fine.
It's
Okay.
good.
We are also calling port mirroring. We are also calling port mirroring. When traffic traffic will pass from one interface to other, we will capture it. It's the word is fine, right? It's not confusing one, right? We are calling as a port mirroring when traffic is passing from one interface, means switch interface, to other interface, means the other interface, other device interface, whatever. Then we will capture it. Okay.
It means, Irfan bhai, it means like we are capturing traffic from where we are talking, where we are the source to port to
Destination port, kind of.
device,
Right,
right?
right, kind of. So we have multiple type as well, span or span ex span. So this span, particularly span, it's we can use we can use in local switch only means if a switch having source destination on the same switch, same port, then we can use that span. If the source is like here, source is this switch, okay, destination is this switch. For example, one computer is connected here and one computer is connected here. This is this is source, this is destination. Then we will use R span, remote span we are calling. Okay, so we will discuss about this one as well. But span we can do on local switch only. Okay.
That means we are using IP phone in offices, right?
Hmm? Yeah, yeah.
IP phone we using in our offices. We are
We can
dialing
monitor it, that
someone.
interface. Yeah.
Okay,
IP, computer
that
and all.
that IP phone or computer we are talking with someone that
Mm-hmm.
connected to a local switch, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And
So
same switch, the that interface connected to the device like SARC and all this
mm-hmm.
device like.
Mm-hmm.
So that device should connect the same switch, right?
Right. In that case, we will use the SPAN technology.
Okay, okay. मतलब locally we are limiting a span
Right. Locally SPAN means
between.
it's, and also we can say switch port analyzer. Port analyzer. This is a full form of the SPAN. Switch port analyzer. The remote switch port analyzer we will monitor for the destination PC. And it can be monitored in out on both direction. Okay. So now you can also write, we can use in or out or both direction. Okay. So whatever traffic is coming, what is going out or both. Generally we are taking both, but you can also specify which traffic you need. And one more thing, capturing tool also required. Tool like Wireshark also required. to capture the traffic. Done?
Yes.
Okay. So how it is, I explained, right? How it is working. Like one port is coming and one port is like source and destination. Uh, Let me explain more. This is a PC. This is switch, for example. This is one port, second port, third port. What I will say, we have a computer right here. We have computer. We have destination computer. For example, this IP 1.1, this IP 1.2. So this PC, I will connect one more PC here, computer. Okay. Install the Wireshark and all those things. And we will configure this port as a destination port. Oh, sorry. This port as a source port. This port will be destination port. For example, you are pinging from this interface to this interface. Then one is mirroring port where we are going to mirror all the traffic. Okay. Got it? So some characteristics we have, like which port can be monitored, which can port not be monitored, and how it is working. So you can write.
Means all three devices should connect with the same switch.
Yeah, kind of.
If someone calling from out of the local network, then
Then we have other things. I will explain that on how you are analyzing that on. Okay. In case of router, because this is a switch specific protocol. A router we cannot use. So we have like net flow kind of. For example, SNMP we have. SNMP you have heard, Simple Network Management Protocol. That same way we are using as a net flow. So I'll explain. Don't worry. How exactly it works. So if any port will be source port, source port. See, source port characteristic. Ah, Characteristic. um, Condition. Just write condition. Leave that one. Or limitation. Or characteristic. Okay. First, characteristic means any type of port. Any type of ports can be captured. Means if you have Ethernet, fast Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, gig Ether, and like that, 10 gig, whatever. Any type of things you can capture. Means second, we can also make Ether channel. Ether channel you learn. We can also make ether channel as a source interface. Next, source port can be same or different VLAN. Source port can be same or different VLAN. Whatever VLAN, we will capture it and send to that destination one. So if you are capturing VLAN, who is calling me? Means any VLAN, different VLAN can be, same VLAN can be. Both the type of cases could be. Then four we can make trunk as a source port as well. We can also make trunk port as a source port, which we are calling a source port and destination port. It means like source means which which all the port we are capturing. Destination port means where our capture device will be located. Okay, so I will explain what I mean. We will do the lab, right? Okay, source can be a VLAN as well. It will be apply different uh, for example, span might be some condition work on the R span, EX span. So one source port characteristic might be in different cases. We can use different things. Means these are the all. It will apply for all the protocol. I mean all the technology. We have a three technology. I will explain that one as well. So it can be VLAN as well. Okay, that's fine. Destination port. Destination port. Characteristic first. Destination port. Port. Done. Now destination port. You can write. Might be sometime they are asking, but generally I have not never seen like people are asking this type of question. It can be only Ethernet physical port. Means it should not be virtual port or something in span cases. First number. It can be only. It can be only be any physical interface. Okay. Then second, it can't be a means we cannot make destination port as a source port. For example, if you want to make a port as a source and destination both, so it's not possible. So that's what you can say. It's can not be a source port. If you are making destination port, should be destination, not source. Then third, ether channel and VLAN. It cannot be ether channel, or VLAN. Should be physical interface. Okay, because physical we will connect the monitoring tool and we will do that. So these are the couple of things you need to know. And I can explain more. If you are making any physical port as a destination port and it's a member of ether channel, in that case also it will not work. I will not write everything. You can learn more. Okay, one more. Line protocol call will be down for destination port. That is important. If you will say a port is down, something went wrong or not, but it's cool. Like it's characteristics. Like the line protocol will be down. I will show you for the destination port. Okay, so don't be afraid like something went wrong. So one more thing we are calling, if you will make any port as a destination port, then it will not part it will not participate in layer 2. Means layer 2 traffic will not be flowing. Port will be down. I mean, ether line protocol will be down, so no traffic will be flowing. Only except this one. Okay. And one more thing important: no MAC address.
It will not participate in layer.
Layer 2
What is
technology.
that?
Layer 2 protocols are technology. So no MAC address learning. नो मैक एड्रेस उस पोर्ट पे कोई मैक एड्रेस लर्निंग नहीं होगी ठीक है these are the kind of characteristics we have so now just go ahead and types of span means how many types of span we have so first span which we learn span or span switch personalizer remote switch personalizer and one more we have three ex span we are calling these are using in data center kind of technology yeah sorry not ex er for Nexus devices we are using. Okay, this one for remote switch. This is for local switch. Okay, we will try to learn this one. This one we do not have any data center kind of technology here, so here span we will not touch. So first we will discuss about the local span means span which we learned this one. So let's open GNS, not GNS, packet tracers. I never done that lab and the packet tracer, but let's see how it's working. Allow me a moment, please. Okay, net card is down, man. That okay. So I will making you guys host. I will leave and disconnect my internet and come back. Okay. So I'm leaving this meeting. Okay, you guys will be here only. I will leave and I will join back. Give me one moment. I will make Abhishek as a host.